and a spouse. Take courage. You have unanswered questions. Don't worry. Because in the words of Reverend Dr. Mwalwa, long time ago, as a young person, I think he was talking somewhere in Deist, I think, and he was giving a graph of a human being. And I think our friends, Mercy, had her graph. God gave her to you, the same way the parents have said, and the same God, I believe, has taken. I'm sure God also loves good people up there where we have not gone. So take courage. Two friends gathered here. Let's learn the good lessons from what we are celebrating this evening. I've heard you, Mr. Mwangagi. Those elected, those who are looting, those who are mismanaging the country, those who are doing what not. I belong to a political organization whose leader is here, Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka. As a student, I used to hear 24-hour economy. That 24-hour economy is by these Kenyans assembled here. I believe that is a solution to many problems this country is facing. We learned a lesson the other day, but as leaders, as Kenyans, most likely we don't learn. And the lesson was, when COVID came, we were locked in our respective areas of residence. We could not move. That meant we need to make those facilities near you where you are work for yourself first and to the rest of the people you serve. Secondly, we might sit, talk left, right, but truth be said, the way to go for this country is devolution. And the same way as Speaker said here, it is good we always speak. Mercy liked and advocating for the people. If the way is devolution, I will say those managing this country currently are a threat to devolution. You cannot give less than 10% of the country's revenue to devolution and you want to talk about bettering those facilities down there. We need to be realistic. Whatever is given to devolution is what should be remaining at national level if we are to transform this country. The same way our late Mercy wished to see. To the members of media fraternity, poleni sana once more. Na si kujua, kumbe, wazazi wake, no wonder she was who she was. Si kujua nyinyi ni watumishi wa Mungu. Take courage. Mniruhusu nimuite aliyekuwa gavana wa Kitui, Bi Charity Ngilu, Excellency Mama.